again.
Okay.
The other thing you're going to hear is that's right.
We're going to show off a super decathlon. They'll go for a little hammerhead. This is a brand new airplane.
How new is it?
It's so new that it still squeaks.
Do you have those little air fresheners hanging up in there, Greg?
Do you think that I don't smell good? Is that what you're talking about?
Not me.
All right, just do a nice little slow roll across the top of the loop. Just showing off the performance of the airplane. And going for a Humpty now.
All right, Greg, we're going to do a little tag team on you. Rob Ryder, yours truly, Dan and Clisham. You don't have a chance with us.
Dude, I was afraid of that.
It is blue sky, your red airplane, and the white smoke. It is all American. Looking great. So glad you're here. Congratulations on your 50th continuous year of entertaining in the air show business.
Oh, thank you so much for saying that. I appreciate it. And we are just having fun, Danny. And I think you've been in this business a little bit. You're no slacker or beginner, are you?
I've been 3 or 4 years in it.
All right, Greg, you're doing some basic maneuvers, and this is an airplane that's really suited for basic aerobatic training, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's the most popular aerobatic airplane ever made, Rob. I think that's a lot because it's so versatile. It does good aerobatics. It teaches good aerobatics. But, also fun. It's a great little cross-country plane. It's good to grandma's house. I mean, it's really is an airplane that a lot of people can make use of.
Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Wes Perkins. Woo. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Lieutenant Commander Jack Kilty. The Blue Angel Delta Breakout. Good times go by too fast. Yeah, I waste time with take a little slow.
Uh-oh, the boss is whistling. Okay, you guys are the next act.
High Alpha Pass. of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls.